Want to automatically control when your Midea portable air conditioner turns on or off? The timer function makes this simple and convenient. Your Midea portable air conditioner has a built-in timer system that allows you to schedule when the unit operates. There are two main timer functions you need to understand. Timer on sets a specific time in the future when your air conditioner will automatically turn on. Timer off sets a specific time in the future when your air conditioner will automatically turn off. Both functions give you complete control over your AC's schedule. You'll primarily use your remote control to set the timer. First, locate the timer button on your remote control. The display will show your current settings and timer information. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust your time settings once you've pressed the timer button. The timer system uses specific time increments. For the first 10 hours, you can set the timer in 30-minute increments, giving you precise control for shorter time periods. For longer periods from 10 to 24 hours, the timer adjusts in 1-hour increments. This covers your full daily scheduling needs. Remember, while these are the general steps for Midea portable air conditioners, always refer to your specific model's user manual for the most accurate instructions, as steps can vary slightly between different models. With these basics understood, you're ready to start programming your Midea portable air conditioner's timer for convenient, automatic operation. Programming the auto start timer is straightforward. First, ensure your air conditioner unit is turned off. Press the timer button on your remote control. Then use the up and down arrow buttons to set your desired start time. The display will show the time remaining until the unit automatically turns on. Make sure to point the remote toward the unit to confirm the setting. Now for the auto stop timer programming. This time, your unit should be on before you begin. For auto stop programming, the process is similar, but the unit must be on first. Press the timer button, then set your desired stop time using the arrow buttons. Some models allow you to set both auto on and auto off timers together. After setting the auto on time, press the timer button again within 5 seconds to program the auto off time. Here are important tips to ensure your timer works properly. Keep your remote within 8 meters of the unit and avoid obstructions like curtains or direct sunlight. To cancel any timer setting, simply turn the unit on or off manually, or adjust the timer setting back to 0.0. Newer Midea models offer smart app control for advanced scheduling. Using timers helps optimize energy consumption, automatically running your AC only when needed, which saves money on electricity bills. Remember, the timer indicator light on your unit will confirm when the timer is properly set and active. This ensures your air conditioner will operate exactly when you want it to.